In this video, we're going to discuss the feature that allows you to select between international, domestic, and the flight service leader lines. We've already entered the criteria of 1 hour credit time minimum, and what that criteria does is select every line in the bid package and puts it all into one bank, in this case Bank 1. And the total for Bank 1, we can see down here in the bottom right, is 1,041 lines. The difference between these two numbers is that there are no language lines that have been selected. Otherwise, every line of the bid package has been selected into Bank 1. And now we're going to go up here to the top right, and we can see that with the operation buttons, domestic, international, both, or flight service leader, the both selection is selected by default. We're going to go ahead and change that to international, and that causes the program to eliminate all of the domestic lines. We're going to come down here to the bottom left. We can see that there are 544 international lines that have been selected. We'll close the menu shade, and then when we take a look, we can see that every line is an international line. I'm going to go ahead and open up the menu shade, and this time we'll change the operation to domestic. And we do that, we're going to change and drop down from 544 to 497 lines. And when we close the menu shade, we'll see that those lines are now all domestic lines. And finally, I'm going to open the menu shade, go back up here to the operation buttons, and this time we'll select the flight service leader. And now the number has dropped down to 130 lines. And we'll close the menu shade once again. And we'll take a look, and we see now that all of the lines that have been included in this search are flight service leader lines. And this concludes our video on selecting between domestic, international, and flight service leader lines.